Beyond Asset manages your infrastructure operations by enhancing their data. Airports, buildings, roads, bridges or railways, from inventory to maintenance, Beyond Asset is your partner at any step of the project. The inventory feature allows geolocated access to assets information and their level of service, and interfaces with other management systems. The diagnosis feature easily collects and evaluates structural data to determine the level of service, and to manage and schedule inspections based on your processes. The maintenance feature manages and plans multi-year interventions, with associated budgets, thanks to a decision matrix or life cycle cost analysis. On a smartphone, tablet or desktop, Beyond Asset is the asset management solution that allows you to know and monitor your infrastructures over time, to optimize their operations.